Hi, Andy here from 2-Minute Tech Tutorials. Now in this video I'm going to explain how to embed custom fonts into your PowerPoint presentation. The reason you might want to do this is if you have installed custom fonts onto your computer and then used them in your presentation. If you then send this presentation to another person to view or to edit, or if you view it on a different device, if those custom fonts aren't installed on the computer that is displaying the presentation, then Microsoft PowerPoint will find alternative fonts to replace the custom fonts with, and the likelihood is that the look and feel of your presentation will change. Embedding the fonts is one way that you can ensure that the presentation will play and will look as it should. What you need to do is add obviously your custom fonts to your presentation, and then you want to go up to where it says PowerPoint at the top and go down to Preferences. Now from the Preferences group, you're looking for Output and Sharing, and you want to click on the Save button. When the menu opens up, go down to Font Embedding, and you will see there's an option here to embed fonts in the file. Click on this one, and you want to make sure that the second option, Embed All Characters, which is best for editing by other people, is the option that is selected. This is recommended by Microsoft when it comes to sharing your presentation for editing by other users. Now, if you have multiple presentations open at the same time and you've used custom fonts across those, you can select which presentation you want to apply the font embedding to, but in this case we've only got one open, so we'll go with that. Now all we need to do is close this little menu down and then save your presentation file and send it to whoever you want to send it to, and it should display the presentation with those fonts. There is one exception, however. Sometimes there are some fonts which can't actually be embedded into a presentation due to licensing agreements with those fonts. So when you try to save your presentation, you might see a warning like this comes up. If this is the case, you may want to consider using other custom fonts in your presentation to ensure that it will play it back as intended.